Tell me, what do you want, DJ? What's that?
Get this, the yellow one.
Throw it here. Swim, DJ, swim. Give me. Ah. Here, put it here. Good job, DJ, good job. Go back. Use your hand, use your feet. Okay, go back. I'll throw there.
No.
Okay. Ate, teach DJ how to swim there. Without the noodles. He's floating, no? Okay, madam. Ito na pala ang aking karelyebo. Oh, ito, ayaw na nito. Oh, swimming instructor, ito na. Signing off. Mamaya na ako. Bantayan mo muna ang dalawang estudyante ko, ha? Okay, cut. Kakape muna yung swimming instructor. Kakape. Ay, gising lang eh. Oh! Init! Tama-tama yung kape. Bye-bye!